Very good morning, students. Welcome to SBR online classes once again. In the previous lecture, we were discussing about reactions due to cleavage of oxygen and hydrogen bond. Next one, reactions due to cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond. Oxygen and hydrogen bond we have completed in previous class. In that, reactions due to cleavage of OH bond we have discussed about different types of reaction, acidic nature of alcohols. Next one, the action with metals. After that, we have discussed about the esterification reaction. Yesterday we have completed about esterification reaction, that is reaction due to cleavage of oxygen and hydrogen bond. Next one, second reaction, that is reactions due to cleavage of which bond? That is ROH. So which bond is cleaved here? Carbon and oxygen bond is cleaved. So now we have to discuss about some of the reactions where the cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond takes place. Carbon and oxygen bond. Yesterday we have discussed about reactions due to cleavage of oxygen and hydrogen bond. So in which reactions there is a cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond takes place. First reaction we will consider here. In all these reactions, first reactions, that is reaction with HX. Yesterday I have mentioned wherever the cleavage of oxygen and hydrogen bond takes place, alcohols acts as nucleophiles. In case of these reactions, remember, alcohols acts as, in these reactions, electrophiles. In these reactions, wherever the cleavage of what? Oxygen and carbon bond takes place, alcohol acts as what? Electrophiles. In case of all these reactions, order of reactivity of alcohols. What is the order of reactivity of alcohols? Whether primary alcohols are more reactive or tertiary alcohols are more reactive. When carbon and oxygen bond takes place, naturally tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary, which is more reactive than this one. Next one is going to be CH3OH. In all these reactions, wherever the cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond takes place, this is the order of reactivity of which one? Alcohols. Then in case of this reaction with the hydrogen halide, order of reactivity of HX. Which hydrogen halide is more reactive? HI is more reactive than HBr. Okay, HBr is more reactive than HCl molecule. So this is the order of reactivity of hydrogen halides as well as alcohols. Why this is more reactive? Because of maximum larger size of iodine bond length will be more. It can undergo cleavage very easily when compared to HBr. HBr undergo cleavage when compared to HCl very easily. And this is the order of reactivity of what? Alcohols. If you take one alcohol here, this one already we have completed in the haloalkanes and halurins, where it is treated with the HX in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, ZnCl2. What's the product obtained here? This is RX. This bond is cleaved here, RX plus it is going to be what? H2O. Now this compound is called as haloalkane if it is respective aliphatic alcohol. It is an RX alkyl halide formation takes place. Some examples if you consider here, this is CH3, next one CH2OH plus HCl is there, and if it is treated in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 and it gets converted into what compound? This OH and H is eliminated and here the product is CH3, CH2, Cl plus this is H2O. Now this compound is called as what? Ethanol, and this compound is called as what? Chloroethane. Remember, all these are commonly called as nucleophilic substitution reactions. nucleophilic substitution reactions. In detail about these reactions we have completed in case of haloalkanes and haloarine compounds. Second one, if I take this is CH3, CH, this is CH3, OH is there plus HCl in presence of N-hydrous, what? N-hydrous ZnCl2. It gives rise to what compound? This OH bond is going to be replaced by this is Cl and this is CH3 plus H2O. Now it is called as propane, which one? Propane 2-ol, and this is called as 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane. These are all very simple reactions, students. Already we have discussed in case of haloalkanes and haloarines. Whatever OH group is there, that OH group is replaced by halogen, so it forms respective haloalkane compounds. So this is about the how these alcohols react with hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide means you can go with either HCl or HBr or it may be HI. So these three substances can be used here. We have discussed already this one in the methods of preparations of what compound? Haloalkane compound. Now here we have to discuss under the properties or reactions of respective alcohols. Students, one point here, the mixture of HCl and this concentrated HCl and N-hydrous zinc chloride. N-hydrous zinc chloride is commonly known as what? Lucas reagent. It is commonly known as Lucas reagent. Remember this one, very important. The mixture of concentrated HCl and zinc chloride, N-hydrous zinc chloride is known as what? Lucas reagent. This Lucas reagent is used to distinguish. Lucas reagent, what for it is used? Lucas reagent is used to distinguish. What type of compounds here? Distinguish primary, next one secondary and tertiary alcohols. The nature of the particular alcohol can be identified by using this reagent. It is commonly known as what reagent? Lucas reagent. With the help of Lucas reagent, it is possible to identify which is primary, which is secondary alcohol and which is going to be what? Tertiary alcohols. What is Lucas reagent? Mixture of concentrated HCl and N-hydrous zinc chloride. Suppose if any primary alcohol is there, this is first one. If any primary alcohol is there, I'll go with an example itself. Whenever primary alcohol like CH3, this is CH2, this is OH. When this is treated with concentrated HCl in presence of what? In presence of N-hydrous zinc chloride, ZnCl2. N-hydrous zinc chloride. It gives rise to general reaction. If I write here, this is ROH plus HCl. What is reagent is N-hydrous zinc chloride in presence of this one. It gives rise to RCl plus what? H2O. RCl is forming an precipitate here. This is important. When any alcohol combines with HCl, it forms a respective precipitate along with formation of water. Now this is which alcohol, student? Primary alcohol. When primary alcohol is treated with this mixture is commonly known as what? Lucas reagent. It gives rise to what's the compound CH3, CH2, Cl plus this is H2O. This one is going to be a precipitate. This precipitate is going to be particular. Whatever the precipitate is going to be obtained, precipitate is obtained only on heating. This precipitate is obtained only on heating, or sometimes there is no formation of precipitate under normal condition. If it is what? Primary alcohol. If you go with another alcohol, this is CH, this is CH3, this is going to be OH. Which alcohol it is? Secondary alcohol. When this is treated with concentrated HCl in presence of N-hydrous what? Zinc chloride. It gives rise to CH3, CH, this is CH3, this is Cl. Here also precipitate formation plus this is going to be H2O. So whatever precipitate is going to be there, precipitate formation takes place after 5 to 10 minutes. If it is primary alcohol, precipitate is obtained only on heating, or sometimes what happens, no precipitate formation takes place. If it is secondary alcohol, precipitation takes place after 5 to 10 minutes, either precipitation or you can say the turbidity. So in some text it is going to be mentioned as turbidity. Turbidity is obtained after 5 to 10 minutes, means it is a secondary alcohol. And the compound is an tertiary alcohol is there. This is OH plus this is HCl. Which HCl it is? Concentrated HCl in presence of what reagent? Anhydrous ZnCl2. What is the compound obtained here? CH3. This is CH3. This is Cl plus. It is going to be H2. Precipitate is obtained immediately. If the formation of precipitate takes place immediately, then the given alcohol is going to be which one? Tertiary alcohol. Very clear? Primary alcohol does not give any turbidity, or sometimes turbidity is obtained only on heating. Secondary alcohol, if it is going to be there, means it gives turbidity or precipitate after 5 to 10 minutes. If there is a tertiary alcohol, precipitation takes place very immediately. Whenever, if you take 3 different test tubes, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, after adding HCl and zinc chloride, if turbidity is going to be obtained in a particular test tube, means you can identify the given alcohol is going to be tertiary alcohol. If there is no turbidity or precipitate is obtained only on heating, then the given alcohol is going to be which one? Primary alcohol. After certain amount of 5 to 10 minutes, if the precipitation takes place, then the given alcohol is going to be which one? Secondary alcohol. I'll explain this, why it gives turbidity immediately, why this one does not gives any type of turbidity. So before that, just to copy this one. Copy it first. First, I have explained about some of these simple reactions, how alcohol reacts with ZnCl2 and HCl, and mixture of concentrated HCl and ZnCl2 is commonly known as Lucas reagent. What is the application of Lucas reagent, students? Lucas reagent is used to distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Okay? Primary alcohol, no precipitate. Secondary alcohol, precipitate is obtained after 5 to 10 minutes, and tertiary alcohols gives precipitate immediately. Just to remember that one. If they ask what is Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent is a mixture of concentrated HCl and what? Anhydrous zinc chloride. Now here, if you go with primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols, if you go with the comparison of these 3 alcohols, this is CH3, it is CH2OH, this is CH3CH, it is CH3, next one OH, right? It is CH3, this is carbon, it is carbon CH3, CH3, this is OH. Okay. In all these reactions, when these compounds react with the concentrated HCl and zinc chloride, which bond is cleaved, students? This bond is cleaved. Here this bond is cleaved. Here this bond is cleaved. What is the type of carbocation? This is 1 degree carbocation. This is 2 degree carbocation. This is 3 degree carbocation. Out of primary, secondary and tertiary carbocation, which carbocation is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is more stable. Hence, tertiary alcohols are more reactive than secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols are more reactive than primary alcohols. In case of primary alcohols, no precipitate, because this reactivity of primary alcoholic compound is very less when compared to secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols are less reactive when compared to what? Tertiary alcohols. Already I have mentioned what is the order of reactivity of alcohols. Order of reactivity of alcohols towards this reaction is tertiary greater than secondary, secondary is greater than what? Primary alcohols. So remember, in all these cases, the formation of precipitate takes place very easily with the tertiary alcohols, and primary alcohols no precipitate is obtained. Okay? Suppose if we go with one particular alcohol CH2OH, when this compound is treated with concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, anhydrous what? Zinc chloride. whether the formation of precipitate takes place in this reaction or not. Benzyl alcohol is found to be in primary alcohol is there. This is a primary alcohol, no doubt. It is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol means precipitate is not obtained. No precipitate or precipitate is obtained after certain amount of heating. But here, this compound gives precipitate or the turbidity. This compound gives, this is CH2 and Cl. Precipitate is obtained here even though it is primary alcohol. Precipitate is obtained because it gives more stable. It gives more stable what? Carbocation. Which carbocation? Benzyl carbocation formation takes place because of the formation of more stable carbocation. Even though it is found to be primary alcohol, it gives precipitate with HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. This is an exception for this one. Usually primary alcohols does not give any type of precipitate, but this is an alcohol where it is found to be primary. It gives precipitate, mainly it is found to be because of more stable benzyl carbocation. This bond is going to be cleaved here. It gives positive charge on this carbon atom. Now the carbocation is called as benzyl carbocation, which is more stable. Because of that reason, formation of precipitate is obtained. Other than this one, if you take any type of alcohol, those particular compounds do not react with, or there is no formation of any type of what? Precipitation takes place. Right? Next one, if you go with the set of another one, this is CH3, this is CH, okay, this is CH2, OH is there, alcohol. When it is treated with hydrogen bromide, HBr. Now what is the particular compound obtained? CH3, this is CH2, and this is what? Br plus H2. Reaction is going to be very similar, but instead of HCl, it is going to be HBr. And remember, wherever HCl is going to be used, that reaction is commonly called as Gru's method. Preparation of alkyl chlorides by using HCl and zinc chloride is commonly called as what? Gru's method. Here it is going to be H2SO4 is commonly used in this reaction. H2SO4 is commonly used. Next one, if I go with another one, compound CH3, this is going to be CH3. It is CH, this is going to be CH3, this is OH, and this one is CH. When this compound is treated with what reaction? HBr in presence of H2SO4, find out the product obtained in case of this reaction. Whether the formation of this compound takes place, students, CH3, this is CH, this is CH3, it is CH, next one is CH3, OH is going to be replaced by Br, now this is going to be bromine. So this product is not correct. Why this product is not correct? Just to copy, I'll explain why that product is going to be incorrect in this case. Okay. Here one thing you remember, reactivity of alcohol towards this one, reactivity of alcohol is directly proportional to what, students? Stability of carbocation. Directly depends upon stability of carbocation. When there is a carbocation, then naturally there is an rearrangement also takes place. Because of that rearrangement action, so this product is not possible. Now I'll explain this one, CH3CH. We have discussed almost same type of compounds in haloalkanes and haloarine compound. This is CH3. First, what happens? This bond is going to be cleaved completely. After the cleavage of that bond, CH, this is CH3. Next one CH plus, and it is CH3. What type of carbocation? This is a secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation can be converted into tertiary carbocation. How it is possible? Now this is an hydrogen present on the carbon atom. This hydrogen is going to be transferred. 1 to hydride shift takes place. When 1 to hydride shift takes place, CH3, this is carbon, it is CH3, next one CH2, next one CH3. Now this is positive charge. On this positive charge, the Br minus can attack easily. So the compound is CH3, this is CH3, this is Br, next one CH2, next one CS3. Now this is the product obtained, but not this one. What's the name of this compound? 2-bromo-2-methyl butane. So this product is commonly obtained. So remember, wherever carbocation is going to be considered possible rearrangement, if the carbocation obtained is going to be less stable, if a secondary carbocation converts into tertiary carbocation by using hydrate shift, such type of rearrangement takes place. Hence product is going to be this one, but not this particular compound. So this is with HBr. How the reaction takes place in presence of HI. Now if I go with the one compound CH3 CH2, this is OH, ethanol compound is there, plus hydrogen iodide. What is the compound? CH3 CH2, this is I, plus it is going to be H2O. Now CH3, this is an alcohol is there. What is the compound name? Ethanol. Ethanol compounds into what? Iodoethane. Ethanol converts into iodoethane. But you remember one thing here, very important point to be noted. When the same compound CH3 CH2OH is used in presence of hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus. I am writing with red color this one marker. If only hydrogen iodide is there, formation of same iodo compound takes place, but hydrogen iodide in presence of red phosphorus is used. What is the compound obtained? CH3 plus I2 plus, this is H2O compound formation takes place. Formation of an alkane, that is ethane, takes place when ethanol is treated with what? HI and red phosphorus. This mixture is acting as the strongest reducing agent. Because of reducing property of hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus, formation of alkane takes place. If only hydrogen iodide is used, what compound formation? Respective ethyl iodide takes place. This is the difference between this reaction. If it is carried out in presence of red phosphorus, then reduction takes place. Reduction of alcohol gives us to what? Commonly it is going to be an alkane. So in that reaction, compound obtained is going to be which one? Ethane compound is produced. So this is the action of alcohol with hydrogen halides. What is the order of reactivity of alcohols here? 3 degrees greater than 2 degree, which is greater than 1 degree alcohol, and formation of carbocation takes place, and rearrangement wherever it is going to be possible, rearrangement also takes place in case of this reaction. Okay, next. In case of methods of preparations of haloalkanes from alcohols, first method we have used by using HX. Second one we have discussed. Do you remember second reaction in case of that one? The second one, it is number 2. Action with what reagent? PCl5 or PCl3 or PBr3 or PI3. How alcohols reacts with these set of reagents? Phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus tribromide, and phosphorus triiodide. Let us consider some of the compounds. Directly I will go with an example itself. CH3 CH2OH. Remember this reactions already we have completed. So what is the product obtained here? Product obtained is going to be, this bond is going to be cleaved, Cl attacks on this one, CH3, this is CH2 what? Cl. Any compound combines with the PCl5, the common compound is POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride plus HCl. When any alcohol reacts with PCl5, here also order of reactivity of alcohol is 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. Wherever the cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond takes place in case of alcohols, order of reactivity of alcohol is which one? 3 degree is more reactive and 1 degree is going to be what? Less reactive in nature. Second one, if I go with CH3OH, an alcohol which combines with the PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. When it combines with phosphorus trichloride, the compound obtained here it is CH3Cl plus another compound H3PO3. Phosphorus acid is produced. So 3 chlorine are there, so I will write here 3CH3Cl, this is 3CH3OH. 3 oxygen atoms are there, 3 oxygen atoms, hydrogen, 3 3s are 9 plus 3 12 are there, 9 plus 3 12. So this is called as chloromethane plus phosphorus acid. If the reaction is going to be carried out by using what reagent? PBr3. CH3, CH2, this is OH. When it combines with what? When it combines with phosphorus and bromine. Usually PBr3 compound cannot be used. It is going to be prepared immediately by combining bromine over phosphorus. When it combines with PBr3 compound, together it is going to be known as PBr3. So the compound is CH3, CH2Br. Totally, whatever OH group is present in the alcohol, that OH group is replaced by either chlorine or this one is going to be bromine. CH3, CH2Br compound. Next one, if I go with the next reagent, CH3, CH2, this is CH2, OH is there. When it combines with the phosphorus and iodine, here also same story is going to be applicable. So the compound obtained here, it is CH3, CH2, CH2 and this is I. Main compound is iodo-propane compound is produced. So with PCl4 and PCl3 form respective chloro compounds. With the phosphorus and bromine, that is known as PBr3 compound, it gives rise to bromo derivative. With the PI3 molecule, it gives rise to what? Iodo derivative. You know very well, PBr5 and PI5 cannot be used in these reactions because these are unstable phosphorus pentabromide, phosphorus pentaiodide. Because of their instability, so the reaction does not take place with these different types of what? Alcoholic compounds. Right? In that topic only, in continuation of this one, these are all repeated reactions. In continuation of that one, we have used another one reaction. I'll mention that name of the reaction, students. Darjan's reaction, do you remember? Darjan's reaction. That is action with what reagent? SOCl2. What is the name of SOCl2? Thionyl chloride. And the name of this reaction is called as Darjan's reaction. What is this one? Darjan's reaction. It is thionyl chloride, SOCl2. When an alcohol like CH3, this is CH2, this one is OH. If it combines with SOCl2 in presence of what reagent? Pyridine. Pyridine is a base, nitrogenous compound. The major compound is CH3, CH2Cl plus what is that product? SO2 plus this is HCl. Now this compound is obtained. This is the one of the convenient method for the preparation of chloroalkane compound. Chloroalkane compound, because whatever the byproducts are going to be there, those byproducts are liberated as what? Gases. And the main function of pyridine is a basic compound. Pyridine helps in the elimination of acidic compound SO2 and HCl. HCl hydrochloric acid, and SO2 is going to be a sulfur dioxide compound that is also acidic in nature. For those acidic compounds can be easily removed in presence of pyridine compound. So this reaction is known as what? Darjan's reaction. Conversion of alcohol into what? Ethanol into chloroethane compound. Any type of chloro derivatives can be obtained by using this Darjan's reaction. This is number 3rd. 4th one, action with amines. How these alcohols reacts with amines? Amines means especially we have to go with the primary amines. Especially primary amines. All primary amines are represented by what? RNH2. Wherever NH2 group is present, it is commonly known as what? Primary amine compound. Secondary amine RNH R dash, tertiary RN R dash and double dash. Now this is an alcohol, students, ROH. When this is combined with the RNH2. What is the main product obtained here? When alcohol combines with this particular RNH2, the main compound is going to be R. Here I will go with an example. I have to continue this reaction. So just I will remove this one. When alcohol combines with respective amines. Amines are you can consider the ammonia compound. First one you will consider with amines, next one you will go with the respective ammonia only. Here this is ROH, first one ammonia will consider, this is NH3. NH3. What's the compound obtained here? Here NH3 is nothing but HNH2. This H and OH is going to be eliminated. What's the compound left out? This is RNH2. What is RNH2? RNH2 is commonly called as the primary amine. Primary amine. Further on this one, if one more alcohol is added, one more molecule of alcohol is added, this OH and one of the hydrogen eliminates. So the compound is RNH. This is R. What's the compound? RNHR. This hydrogen combines with this one. It is minus H2. Here